Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? As you see in the picture, this is car body cover. We have got ordered on Amazon stores. It's a premium quality car body cover. If you want one, I'll provide the link in the description box. You can go check it out and buy. We've got right now at 50% off. So do avail this offer. As you see in the picture, this is how the packing was, and you see here it is 2,100 rupees. It's a perfect fit for Nexon cars. You can check out for models between 19 to 22, and you see here a buckle is given. I'll share some highlighting features of this, but if you want demo, you can check my video in the I button, description box and end screen. You can find the demo and know whether it fulfills the features or not as it is said. Okay, coming to features. As I said, it's a perfect protection for your car. It is dust resistant and water resistant. It's a premium quality car cover which comes with 3 layers: plastic layer, metallic silver and cotton lining to protect your car. And not only that, as you see in the picture, you've got elastic, a bottom elastic. This bottom elastic will fit your car perfectly. It has got water pockets. It is durable, portable. It has got a black piping which gives a premium look or gorgeous look, whatever you call. And as I said, it's a perfect protection for your car as it is dust, water and heat resistant. So no ifs and buts. Let's see how it looks.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, did you all like? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Of course, if you want to buy, I have provided a link in the description box. You can check it out. As for today, I'll take off. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. And please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, thank you.